This video is part of a series of videos on how to use Auto-Traefik. Be sure you start from the first video. The link to the playlist is in the description below. What if I'm done with the Auto-Traefik script? I do not want it anymore and I'm just going to manage things by myself. How do I get rid of it? So let's go back to our command line. We'll have to start the Auto-Traefik script again. Okay, so we're going to do that right now, and let's head over to the Auto-Traefik options here, and you will go all the way down. Just a gentle reminder again, if you have any issues, use the generate sanitized Auto-Traefik log to generate the log, and it will be saved where the Auto-Traefik script is. So in this case, in my username in my home folder, so this is exactly the location where the log will be saved. And actually, in fact, during my testing I generated something. You can see that that log already exists in the same place, so you have it there. So now we're going to go into reset, and we're going to reset everything. So all the leftover stuff from running the script are all gone now, and then I'm going to press Ctrl C, exit out of the script, and then what I'm going to do is sudo rm. Okay, let me clear the screen so you do not see all this stuff. Now ls, I'm gonna say sudo rm Auto-Traefik underscore and then delete the script. Now, why am I using sudo? That's because I have some aliases, and don't ask me why, and I have to use sudo when I delete a file. Normally you just need to say rm and the name of the file, and it will delete the file. So we just deleted the script. I also do not need the log file, so I'm going to delete the log file here. So done. That's it, done. So you deleted the script, and then everything is out of your system now. And if I do ls, ignore the Docker Auto-Traefik folder right there. That's because this is my development environment, so I do all the development in that folder, so it's there. Normally you would only see your Docker folder. You have your Docker compose files, you know how to edit them, add new services. You are good to go at this point. So once again, this is the end of this video series for now. I will continue to add more videos to this playlist in future as I add more features. If you really liked this video and this guide that I put out on how to use Auto-Traefik, more importantly, what do I do after I've used Auto-Traefik, and what do I need to do? This is one common question I receive from many of the users. I hope that these questions were answered. I hope you really liked the new UI, and I really hope you like the Authelia support, which is now built into the script. Look out for new features. And once again, if you haven't liked the video or my channel yet, please do so. So I'm just starting out, and every bit of support from people who watch the videos will really help me grow my channel. It helps the YouTube algorithm see that you find my videos valuable, and I get more visits on my videos. Okay, so I'll stop right here. Thank you for watching this video and the video series. Look out for more videos that I will continue to add to this playlist. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.